Nothing is funny about germs. Stand by. This video is about to start.
This is the savage scientist Ed right here. And I'm Uber and police car.
This is the savage scientist Ed today, and I'm gonna talk to y'all about flu season, driving Uber and Lyft, or if you're doing any type of ride share. When it's flu season, it's easy to have to deal with customers sneezing all in your car and stuff. This is not an advertisement for Lysol. These are items you're gonna need to keep germs out of your car, and what you're gonna use to deal with germs in your car. So I'm gonna start off first with the storage bags. During flu season, people sneeze. So you're gonna need yourself Kleenex. This is a knockoff brand. $4. Get yourself some Kleenex. So when they sneeze, you give them one of these. Make sure you get some good ones. So you give them this when they sneeze. Achoo, 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 achoo. 6 sneezes. So whenever you give them that, and you give them this. This Ziploc bag will be used for them to put their snotty, dirty, nasty rag in and bring with them. So they close that up. Another thing, this is a violation. If I come back and see this in my car, guess what? That is a trash cleanup fee, $25. So don't leave it on the floor in my car, or you will get charged for it. And I have a small sanitizer. So when they get done sneezing all over the place, I have this for them. Good old hand sanitizer. Give this to them, and that should be good for them the rest of the day. They don't take this, I clean this off for my next customer, but I keep this available. And they always sneeze behind my seats, so I always give my seats a good old spray of Lysol. Get you some Lysol. It's good against H1N1 and whatever else they decide to come up, whatever H5N5, HKNZ. You spray that up in the car, up in the whip, Lysol it all down. This is what I use for my own hands. This is what I use for my hands. And you might be looking at these Lysol wipes. These wipes come in handy. So when you take one of these out and then commits to wiping down surfaces where the bacteria was, where they sneezed at. You can wipe down. You should catch the door handles. And now you'll be better protected from the flu, from the cold, and you can make more money. So this is the savage scientist Ed. If you want to make money out here, then you have to think that you don't want to catch a cold. The best way to avoid catching a cold is to not be in a predicament where you're around these germs. So you give your customers these, set up some bags and stuff for them, and they keep their stuff in here. Tell them to take it with them to clean up for you. Y'all go out there and make that money. Savage scientist Ed, 10-4. And this can also be used as trash bags too. So if they have trash getting in your car, give them one of these, because this is multi-purpose. They leave this in the car and make it so getting your cleanup fee is even easier, because now you just have to throw this away with all the little